Okay, so I'm inside Traffic Magnet's asset factory. Really first time I've been in here. So kind of will see what happens when I try to create something. First thing you want to do though is you want to go into your settings, and here you can add your API keys. I added Claude or Anthropic, but you can use OpenAI as well. And there's one for the ideogram, which is $20 to do that one as well. So anyway, we're just going to go ahead and create one. So with the basic plan, you do get 20 traffic magnets. And so let's do personal finance. Okay, and let's try one for budgeting. See what happens here. So it looks like it automatically filled that in there for us. And let's see what it says. I said I haven't tried this yet, so we'll see how it actually works. Give it a minute here. So it does, there we go. It's pretty quick. And let's see. What should we choose here? How about, let's go down to the monthly budget calculator. Click on that and we'll generate the blueprint. There we go. Pause for a second while I was doing it. I like the blue. Let's see. I'm going to do it as a standalone page. See what happens here. Pause just a second. Okay, so I came up with a HTML file. Download that. See what the landing page is. So it's supposed to automatically create a landing page. Seconds. Okay, so that came back. We'll download the page. See what happens when we open that up. There we go. So there's a HTML page that it created. Look, you just enter your information. So it's monthly income. It's called 3,000. Expenses are 2,800 or 18. Well, let's just do 18. Calculate. All right, so that gives you a budget of $1,200 left to use. So anyway, that's how quick and easy it is to create a little tool. Now this you would just put up on your website if you had one. Anyway, so that shows you how easy the product is to use. And yeah, again, there's a bunch of different projects that you can do with these templates. So anyway, that's just a quick look at this. If you want, I have a link below which takes you to my bonus page, and from there you can click in to purchase the product if you're interested. All right, thanks.